Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse, and today I'm just gonna go and register to the Linus Tech Tip LTX EXPO. It's in Vancouver. Right now we are on the 27th floor in this apartment, so we have to go down, and elevators are usually very quick. Let's see which one hits me first. Ha! We were lucky, the one right here. So, cool. Ooh, there's a lot of buttons here. It's that one. There we are. Hey. I need to catch this SkyTrain to go into the city from here. It's like 4 stops. It doesn't take very long, actually. It's not the greatest train. It's very noisy. But well, it gets the job done, and it seemed to work really well. The system is good. The trains are just not as great. This takes a long time, so yeah, we could just have a look around down here while we're here. So let's see the door going on. That's the way out. In here is the. I'll just check if there's anybody in here. Yeah, there is people. There's a pool and there is a fitness center. I'm not gonna bring a camera. I'm not that guy. So this is the entrance. And we have to hit that SkyTrain up there. So we're gonna go that way. It's very hot in Vancouver today. It's gonna hit 27 degrees if it hasn't already hit it. I have just applied sun blocker. As a pale Viking, well, as soon as I step out of the shadow I get a 3rd-degree burn. So yeah, but it's very nice here right now, very hot. So here's the entrance to this SkyTrain thingy, and you kind of get these compass. It looks like this. It's a credit card thing, and you can fill it up here. You can kind of see how much is on it. So we can probably press and we can view balance. See if I have enough. View balance. Oh, I have 19.5 Canadian rubles. So I think I'm good to go. Then I can see my past trips. I actually have one with this amount of 0. I took the wrong train and I had to go back. Yeah. Okay, so we go in. We're going with Expo line, so we're going to LTX EXPO with the Expo line. So I have to make sure to take the train in the right direction, otherwise this video might become too long. I would cut that out, it's too embarrassing. Okay, I need to be on platform number 1 here, because that goes to Waterfront. This one goes to the other end of the train line. We're not going there. We're going that direction when we're going back. These are dangerous. started there and we are going there. It's not far. We are here. This is this way out. So now we just have to exit, and it's this way. So when I put the card and go through the machines again, it will calculate how much I just used. 240. It's not that bad. So yeah, they have some live music going on here. It's loud and not that great. I believe we're going this way. Okay, we are the little blue thingy here and Linus Tech Chip. The LTX is up in that thing, so we need to we need to go in the other direction. Okay, my mistake. So the diversity of people here is much greater than I'm used to. In Denmark, where I'm from, well, we are all white and pale, and yeah, I'm not that pale because I got a sunburn yesterday, so I have huge amount of sunblocker on to survive this. So, but I'm just going in here and I'm gonna register it, probably get an armband for attending, and we're gonna just go back. I'm probably not gonna film that because it's not gonna be that interesting afterwards. So I took the wrong exit out of the train station. This is the good one. Then I would have saved myself some time if I'd just gotten out that way. So we just have to go in that big building there, but we have to go in over there somewhere. This is apparently where the big cruise ships lands here in Vancouver. Here's a nice view of the container harbor. I'm sure there are some Maersk containers there. They're from home. So yeah, we are going that way. So okay, this is the World Trade Center. I thought that would have been a bad name. So Vancouver Convention Center. Let's go and check that out. So we need to go and do our registration. This is cool. I just made up with Aiden here, and he has scanned my registration here. So now I get my hand thing here.
It's kind of awkward to put it over your hand, so like, I mean, you can try. Oh, there you go.
And you don't have to crimp it or anything?
No, look, it kind of like
oh,
sticks.
It doesn't come up.
No.
Okay, thank you, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
That was too easy. So now we're good for tomorrow to attend the LTX EXPO. Expo? Oh, EXPO. Yeah, that's a sponsor. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just going back. I have a tiny little meetup later. So thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again. And tomorrow, yeah, I'm gonna be doing another video. So have a nice day. Bye bye.